Hey everyone, today we are going to make 4 different flavors of oatmeal without sugar, which also help in weight loss. Let's start with my favorite, pure coconut bliss. In a saucepan, add half cup of rolled old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of water, and some dry desiccated coconut. Cook on medium-high flame for 5 minutes or until they are cooked through. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Cook another minute or two and take it off the heat. Transfer into a bowl. And top with coconut butter. Toasted coconut, and pumpkin seeds. Sweeten it with honey or maple syrup. This oatmeal recipe is perfect for all coconut lovers. Next recipe is a super quick dark chocolate oatmeal. In the saucepan, add the water, oats, and cocoa powder. Cook for 5 minutes and it's ready. If you don't like the bitterness of chocolate here, add some milk to it and you'll have a mild taste of chocolate. Now transfer it to a bowl. I'm gonna add peanut butter, as peanut butter and chocolate are so good together. Adding some roasted walnuts for some crunch, an extra boost of nutrition, and some chocolate chips if you want them. I'm using maple syrup to sweeten this oatmeal, but you can swap it with honey or stevia. This carrot cake oatmeal is obviously inspired by the flavors of a carrot cake, but it also tastes like a healthier version of gajar ka halwa. We are using rolled oats as they are less processed than the instant oats and cook way faster than steel cut oats. The carrots impart their natural sweet taste to the oatmeal, but you can always add erythritol or stevia if you like your oatmeal much sweeter. When the carrots and oats are cooked through, add a splash of milk and cook for a couple of minutes. For your daily breakfast oatmeal, I would recommend these wonderful rolled oats from Amazon. If you want to buy them, you can go to the link that I have provided in the description box of this video. Take it off the heat and look how creamy and vibrant that is. Top with some almonds and black currants or raisins for a crunch and some more nutrients. I'm also adding a pinch of cinnamon here as it has a lot of antioxidants and lowers your blood sugar levels. You can drizzle some honey on top as I did here, but the oatmeal is actually already sweet because of the carrots. This is one of my favorite flavors because it reminds me of a carrot cake with added nutrients, fiber, and without the excess fat and sugar. This date caramel oatmeal is more of a nice and silky pudding. It's naturally sweetened and rich in all the essential nutrients, so you can have it as breakfast. Add in the oats and pre-soaked dates. I soaked them last night in half a cup of water. Add the soaking water in the saucepan as well with another half cup of water. As with other oatmeals, cook for 5 minutes. Then add the milk, then cook for another couple of minutes. And you've got another easy and tasty oatmeal recipe for a quick breakfast, naturally sweetened with dates. Top with your favorite nuts and seeds for the crunch. This really is a very silky and creamy date pudding. Now go ahead and amp up your breakfast with these sugar-free oatmeal recipes. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos like this one, push that subscribe button and don't you forget the bell icon.
I can't compete, my body's shaking, and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can